Hello everyone. What I want to show you today is how to trim your pet bird's nails. This is a Canary. It's a red mosaic. Red lipchrome mosaic. And it's the only canary that you can tell if it's a male or a female by the way it looks. It's called sex-linked, and the male has a really dark red, orange all around its eyes, where the female just has like a little stripe of red going back here. But anyway, that aside, let's show you how the nails work. You can see, I don't know if you can see, there's a little red way down toward the bottom of the nail. That's called a quick. That's where the blood emanates from. So you don't want to go down that far. I don't even get close to it at all. When I do my bird's nails, I just do a little bit right at the top there. Just a little bit to ensure I'm not going to go too far. Just like that. And you can see also the way I hold the bird between the first two fingers. This gives you a lot more control, and they don't seem to be as frisky holding them like this. But anyway, let's see, there we go. And this one, there are obviously 4 nails. Let me go back and get a little bit off that one. And if you keep up with it, that's all you have to do each time, is just take a little bit off. That way you're never gonna end up with any bleeding. Should you make a mistake, the bird moves or whatever happens, just wonder dust. It's a blood coagulant that you would put right on the nail, sprinkle it right on the nail, and it'll stick to it and coagulate the blood. And you can also do that with baking soda, or no, baking powder, excuse me, and a few other home remedies that don't come to mind right now. But you can see that was a little more than I really like to take off, but right there you can see the quick. And you take off that, and that's done. Very nice. Now they're good for another month anyway. Well, actually, anytime you pick up your bird, or you have a chance to pick up your bird, I always do their nails. And another thing I do is I put a little bit of, let's see, a little bit of bag balm on the feet. Keeps their feet nice and fresh and oily. You know, it cuts down on scaly mites. And that's that. Okay, say bye.